Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we will learn how to delete a static record using Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow. Add a title and description, then select the method, menu, and window where you want to place the trigger. Once configured, click the Save button. Next, navigate to the Data Operation Events section, where you'll find the Delete a Static Record event. Drag it into the workflow playground and enter a title and description. Then, select the system and source type. The available source types include department, role, and variable. Choose the one for which you want to delete a record. In this case, we'll select department. Now, select the record you want to delete. You can do this statically by selecting a specific record or dynamically by carrying data from other nodes. Once the fields are set, connect the event log to the start and end nodes. Then, publish the workflow. Finally, go to the window where you added the trigger and execute it. After execution, the department record will be successfully deleted.